Good morning. Welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. I just wanted to share real quick, and I'm not going to be out here too long. My neighbor cut his grass yesterday, and I'm allergic to cut grass, and I'm out here sniffling, so I need to hurry up and get back inside. But I just wanted to show you that my yellow wax beans have flowered. Oh, look at nature. Wow. And not only am I enjoying the flowers, but it looks like the little bees are enjoying them too. But I just wanted to show you how beautiful that is. It's a nice little row. Oh, and this basil self-seeded itself because I didn't plant that there, but that's a nice surprise. But I just wanted to show you. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's so beautiful. And there's some more blooms back there too. Over there by the carrots. Let's see if I can zoom in. Some more. It's just so beautiful. It's always nice when you come outside and you see the bloom, and then you know your fruit or your vegetables are coming next. So anyways, let me get back indoors. I'm snip grass, and he cut the grass yesterday. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. I did take my allergy medicine. I'm getting ready to drink some tea. If you don't know, organic honey is good if you have allergies. All right, enjoy your day. I am going back indoors. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy.